I've been waiting for this day 3 months after my birthday. My friend Ilya gave me a really good present. Right now we're driving to the place when I can drive in Ferrari. This is how it looks like. So this can be Ferrari 488 GTB. I never drive in car like this one. And I believe this can be really fun. 660 horsepower, top speed 205 miles per hour, and 3 seconds from the 0 to the 60 miles per hour. So we go into this place with my wife Lana. Lana's here. Believe this can be a really good experience for me. I never drive in car like that, you know, and I take different cameras, you know, and I can record a really good video and share my experience with you guys. We are not alone. Some people drive into this place too. We did some registration real quick. This guy gave me like USB disk and my card with my name. I started asking about the camera, can I use my cameras or no for recording video. He told me like you need to ask the instructors or photographers there. I have some camera like this one or Insta360. Can I put this camera inside the car? Do you know?
That's not with me. You need that here in check-in or with some instructor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just send the photograph.
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Офигеть, какие тачки, ёп. Yeah, I drive in this car, but we have a lot of different options. Insane. Dude, come on. Nice. Блин, жесть.
Ты же тут. А что, тебе на 2?
Что на 2? Надо идти. I'm waiting for you, Lana. I'm waiting for you. Ну вот, надо идти. Ты еще заказала бургер, чтобы подольше.
Ну да, я уже потом увидела, что можно было чуть-чуть встретиться.
So I waited my wife a really long time and joined to my group really late. Training already started. This guy saw my camera and he told me like, you can't use that thing, you need to leave that camera with your wife or somebody, you can use it. So I give my camera to my wife and just waiting for my ride, but after that I decided no, I want to grab this camera and I want to create some video. Start driving, guys.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so. Very good, very good. Alright, so.
Hold it, okay.
So, David, I'm going to have my hand right here, okay?
Yeah.
That means, alright, lift off the brake and then head out this way. Give it a little gas. And then right behind that car here, okay?
Okay.
Alright? On the track before the straightaways that are a chicane.
Here.
Now we've got this car right here. They're gonna jump in front of us.
Okay.
So we'll wait for this car to get
Okay, so.
off the road.
Okay.
Accelerate a little bit.
Yeah, so the horn.
Wait for that horn. Rolling gas, a lot of power.
Yes, right side. It's okay, sir. Yeah, good.
Right behind the Ferrari.
Yes,
Good
sir.
driving, good driving. You have fun?
Yeah,
All right.
not enough speed and the freedom, but it's okay. You know, I really love the speed, but at first time I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. You know. Thank you.
And that's also one of those things where, like, if it were your car,
yeah, your priority it's safety.
yeah.
So
and,
yeah, I
and,
understood.
You know, I still have to go home at night.
Yeah, absolutely. Me too. I mean, I expect for a baby, you know, so
Yeah,
not
yeah.
too much of risks now.
Congratulations.
Thanks, man.
That's
Appreciate that, sir.
Yeah. So typically, and great job, by the way. So yeah, typically the way it works is, you know, somebody would start here, and they go, oh, I really like this. I'd like to do it more. Go ahead. Go up here. Look at your picture. Yeah, but typically somebody would come out here and they'd go, oh, I really like this, and then they would buy their own, you know, whatever type of car that
super
they want.
car.
And then they can go on the track, and you've got a little more freedom to.
Yeah, best
be a
choice
little
do
more
this on the
risky.
track because you know
Yeah.
I have couple tickets here for
Yeah.
speeding. You know, I don't want to have more.
But that way you can take a little bit more risk, and
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about, you know, somebody else's car and things like that. So, hey, is that your wife?
Yeah,
All
this
right.
is my wife. Hey.
That's awesome. I'm gonna right up there. Did she get this for you as your birthday present?
No, my friends give it to me.
Oh, really? That's awesome, man.
Okay.
Cool. And then
How
click
I
both
can do?
paddles for me. Yep. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is your video.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that,
Awesome.
sir.
Hey, great job, great job.
Thank you.
Hopefully you had fun.
Yeah, absolutely, sir. Thank you.
All right, here, let me get this unplugged so I can play that.
Woo! Come on, nice car.
All right. Thanks, Dick.
Thank you, sir. Whoa. Guys, this is a really good ride. I really love it, you know. I wish to take my own car in the future. Excuse me, guys.
Do you happen to know if we can get?
Cool. Yep, baby.
So I finished my ride and I'm really excited, and yeah, I'm start telling everything in Russian, but yeah, I feels like it's not enough for me. I wish to ride a little bit more, and yeah, I'm so thankful for my friend who gave it that present to me.
I have fun. Немного кругов, 2. Все под контролем. Man, я снял видео. Нельзя, говорят. Можно все, только осторожно.
Really nice speed. I believe I driving 180 miles per hour, but I need to take a look in the video. I'm not sure.
На видео. Но, man, ты глянь, какие тачки просто. Вообще огонь.
My wife asking more information about this ride, tells me like, hey, share your experience, share your expression. I want to show you video.
Прям вообще, это очень супер было. Вообще классно. Мне очень нравится. Все успевал вообще, все тормозил, все круто.
Yeah, but only one thing, it's really hot this day, and I have a huge headache. Take some medicine, but still I have some impulse in my head.
Thank you so much, Ilya, for this gift. I really appreciate that, and yeah, I have a lot of fun here. I wish to have more experience with driving speed car like this one, and another different things what can give you fun, you know. So thanks God for everything. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that. Woo, guys. So guys, I'm so excited, and thank you, my friend Ilya, for this ride. Thank you for watching this video and stay in touch with me. Have a wonderful day. Take a look at my another video in my YouTube channel. Take care, guys.